way it was, the roof was deep, you know, the water come down, yeah. After renovation,
This is Bethlehem. This is the original music. So, doon sa loob, si Jesus pinanganak. Sa ilalim yan. Sa ilalim po nitong altar na to. Kasi sobrang daming trippers everyone.
we can put our 5 fingers on these 5 holes to make a wish. That's it.